Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you 10 cool things to 3D print when you're bored. Okay, in number 10 we have the fidget cube, and it's just like really cool and fun to play with, and it takes 3 hours to print. Next we have a finger pen, and it's really cool. It works. Okay, after we have the finger pen, we have this. It's like shoots stuff. It's cool, and it shoots really well. After that, we have this thing. It's called a chainmail. It's like fabricy plastic, and it's really cool and fun to just like play with. After that, we have the catapult, and it works. After the catapult, we have this. It's like a battering toothpaste squeezer, and when I printed this, I printed like the bottom part so that it like sticks to the bottom, and then I just pull off the bottom so that it doesn't get ruined on the printer. So, and the bottom part is just like, it works well as a batarang. And after that, I have a door handle, like a door do not disturb sign, and it's like cool. It has like a Jedi over here, and it says the Force is with me, do not disturb. And then we have the T-Rex. Everybody likes these things, they're really cool. He moves and it's cool. Then last but not least, we have the box maze, and it's like you have to try getting it out, and it's like really hard and stuff. Let's see if I can get this out. Here we go. Got it out. And then you could just put it back in. And that's all. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe and leave down in the comments below other cool things that you guys like to print.